In business, transactions are classed as cash or credit depending on when payment takes place. Cash sale occurs when a business provides goods or services and receives the money straight away. For example, a customer pays instantly using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or cash at the till. Credit sale takes place when a business supplies goods or services but allows the customer time to pay. The payment is made after an agreed period, such as 30 days. For example, sending an invoice that gives the customer 30 days to settle. Cash purchase happens when a business buys goods or services and settles the amount immediately. For example, paying for supplies in cash at the point of purchase. Credit purchase occurs a business receives goods or services from a supplier and agrees to pay at a later date. Example, receiving materials now and paying the supplier's invoice 30 days later.